Now let's work with Windows. Remember, I told you that for every of this you opened is called a window. This is a window. You can maximize it. Now, how do we work with these windows? Now, whether you open, if you open a program, you are going to have a program layout. When you open an explorer, what we are just doing here is called exploring. We are just what? Exploring. Now, that's what we are doing. We are exploring our computer. Now, because you are opening folder and folder, that process is what we call exploring of your what? Of your computer. Now, since we are working with explorer, this is for every explorer you open or explorer process. Before you can do any explorer process, you must open what? A window. And this is what? A window. Now, how do we work with our window? First of all, you are going to be seeing some things here. One, this one is called your close. It's a button that you click to what? Close that particular window. When you click it, it is closed. You can see. Alright, let's see. Now check this. This one is called restore down. You can see it's already been labeled. Now this one is called the minimize button. When you click on this, you can see it has restored it, but the name will change to maximize. When you click on this, to maximize. When you click on this, the window will minimize. Now also, that process I just did, you can also right click on the top here and can also what? Close, minimize, maximize, move. When you click on move, you can see it has changed. Then you click and drag. See. Now let's check other things. Now for what we can see here, this is used to change how you view items on the particular Explorer layout. This is the layout of Explore. What you are really working on is within here. So now how do you want to view them? You want to view them in different options. You can view them as large icons. You can reduce them smaller. You can see. So also you can still right click on an empty space in the layout and click on what? View. You can see details type. So also you can still group. That is making them similar types. When you have a large amount of them, to be able to have a quick access to your files and others. So you see, there are different ways you can see group. But I'm going to be using group by none, and also sort by name, view what? List, or view by what? Ties, which is the default. Alright, another thing you are going to be seeing on a window is your preview pane. This is a preview. Now let us see what the preview pane is. You can see with the particular icon there, it shows that what? This is what a preview pane is. Now when you click on it, you are going to see it there. So anything you click, you can easily preview it there. Let's see this. You can see, assuming it's a document, you can easily preview it there. Even if what is there was very, very small, you can easily still preview it there. You can see, you click, you can see it. So that is the preview pane. So to take it back, just click on this to hide the preview pane. So another thing you see there is for every window you open, if you need an option based on what it is used for or what it is, you can just click on what this, or just get help for the regarding this particular place or a general issue. So you can click on that. By the time you click on it, you are going to have help based on what you are seeing. You can see this is Microsoft Word, this Windows Help and Support, to give you a brief explanation about where you are working on. Alright, now another pane we are going to be seeing is what? We are going to be seeing the navigation pane. Navigation pane are other options that has been given by what? By Microsoft, so that you can actually still locate other areas in a particular window. Alright, this is my DVD now, a DVD ROM that I decided into my computer. You can see I can easily preview all things that I'm having inside. So that is that. Now you can see good. Now that is for your preview pane. If you want to make it larger, just be careful. You can see, point your mouse pointer to this place and drag when the arrow changes. You can see it's become bigger. Now another thing you see in the particular window is the status bar, which is this place. This status bar will help you to know more brief story or brief explanation or even brief details about a particular file. Modify date, you can see it, particular file or even a particular window. You can see. So let's check this. You can see this is music now. It has given us just brief things, brief information about it. So also you can also go to your video to give you brief information about it, like the size, the type, date was created, and everything else. So now you can also arrange by, you can see by year, depending on what you want to do. So you can try anything out on your own and see what you are going to get. Now this place is called the address bar. You can see this is how it's supposed to be normal. When you go to, as when you use other previous version of Microsoft operating systems. Now you're having something like that. Now, but for Windows 7, it will bring it in a very beautiful way that you will love, and you can see it. So also you can also click on each of these to check some subdirectories that you're having inside. Some other things you can watch. You can see. So yeah, but when you click on this place, you can actually even copy this place and go and paste it on that particular window as you go. It's like when you are browsing on the internet. Alright, now this one is called the back button, which means what? Go to the previous window that you are coming from, just as you also use it on your browser that you used to browse, surf the internet. So also you can see it becomes activated when there was a previous action on a particular window that you did. So also the forward button is also activated when there was, as in you were coming from a particular place previously. So that is how you actually make use of these buttons. So also to have a brief history of let me go at a fast rate to choose where you are going. Windows has did it that they put a drop down button very close to it, so I can actually choose. You can see this list of actions I've already done with it. I can actually go to a particular place on my own without clicking on go back. You know, that's a little bit stressful, so you can just click and just go straight to where you are going to. So that is that. Now another thing you have to know is how you can search. Assuming I'm inside my videos, my music, now in a particular window, in a particular address that you are, now what you are having here shows that what? This address shows that where you are presently is what? A music directory. For every of this forward slash that you are seeing, for every of this forward slash that you are seeing here, it signifies what? A new directory. So when you're having this, is you can see libraries, that means inside these libraries you are having what? Music. So assuming this is another one sample, you can see now inside libraries you're having music and you're having this. Now let's see it. Click on this and you're going to see what? Users, public. You can see this is the main directory, the root directory, which is the folder. Now this one is inside this one is inside users, music is inside public, sample music is inside what? Music. So that is how it works. Now where we are now, we can easily search out what you want. Assuming the number of files that you're having here are so many, like 3,000, or let me just say 100, you cannot actually view it but you can remember what you used to store it. Just come here and just type. Now assuming what we want to do, let me just say Sleep Away. Sleep Away is the name of the music which we are seeing here. So there are many ways you can actually try this out, try by album or anything you want to use. But I want to let me just type away. Just type way and see what I'm going to have. You can see there's something like that. So let's try away. Click. You can see. So it has given me a suggestion. So that is this what you are looking for? It has helped me to what? Find it. But in other previous version of Windows, what you are going to be having is what? You have to click on search on the navigation pane, and what? There's going to be a dog, a little puppy that will show that what begin to look at. I'll give you some suggestion of what you want to do, and by then you tell it to search some particular area. You see the dog looking at the ground, hold a plate, sometimes you hold a book and a glass, and begin to walk. So that is that about that.